How do BMW G20 wheel spacers work? BMW G20 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality BMW G20 wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. BMW G20 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using BMW G20 wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubber bands against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW G20 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of BMW G20 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm. The BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forged made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, aspen thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will therefore endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional BMW G20 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the benefit of the lightweight class design of BONOSS Sport BMW G20 wheel spacers means that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional BMW G20 wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.